That's a really nice fish. That's really freaking beautiful. Wow. What the? This is such a beautiful fish. Wow. Dude, that is sick. That's like the first cast of the day too. All right, I am back on the Boise. It really feels like winter now. It just snowed a whole bunch this morning. But right now, it's afternoon. It's mid to high 30s, a bit warmer than it was earlier. So I'm hoping the fish are gonna be biting. I got 2 rods right now. One has a double nymph rig. The second one is a streamer with a nymph behind it that I'll be dead drifting through the water. Hopefully get some big fish that are super hungry and very aggressive. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Should be a great day. Looking forward to it. It's a nice fish. What am I hooked onto right now? Ooh, it's a big rainbow. Wow. The steelhead, I think. On a 6-weight. No, 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 fuck. No. Another nice fish. Haha. Wow. Chunky guy. This guy does not want to come out, but look at that. Nice fish, very pretty. Very, very pretty. Time to get him back in the water. Going the wrong way. Look at that. Oh, it's sick. It's a nice fish. It's like a big brown. Oh, it's a big rainbow. Oh, I can't tell what that is. Woo! Oh, it's a big brown. Holy. Dude, oh my goodness. This is the biggest brown I've caught here on the Boise. Probably what, 16 inches, I would say. Look at that. Freaking tank. Awesome. Phew. Good thing I checked. All right, so I've got to record this fish. I have it in my net now. It's freaking beautiful, really red. One of the prettiest fish I've ever caught on the river. Just one of, not the most. But look at that. Beautiful fish. Let's get him back in the water, yeah? That was awesome. Sucks that I forgot to record it, but whatever. Oh. That's a fish. It's a nice little rainbow. Phew. It's a fish. It's a really nice fish. That's a really nice fish again. Two really nice fish in one day. It's great. Wow. Dude, my reel. A really massive sucker. Holy, that's a big fish. Oh man. Yeah. Look at how big this guy is. Oh my god. Look at that. Freaking massive. So I measured it 20.5 inches, which is crazy. Let's get him back in the water. Big fish. Damn, that's a big fish. That's a big fish. That's a really big fish. Holy shit. That's a big fish. It's a big brown. That's awesome. Whew. Let's go. That's awesome. Just got a nice brown. Look at that. That is sick. Fought really good too. But let's get it back in the water. It's got a little beak on it too. It's kind of cool. Oh, a little whitey.